What would this mean? That all appointments of teaching staff, including headmaster and such, will be made after a proper selection process, permission of the DI of the concerned district.
Permission of the DI for the concerned district selection process or initiated. Have they said, my lord, the selection process as per the rule? DI has forwarded it to the Commissioner of School Education for approval. In our case, for approval, the DI has forwarded. Now, this permission part has been totally deleted in 2016. Article 30 constitutional protection was given, and no permission is required for the purpose of recruitment. Now, my lord, kindly look at the page. The order, my lord, that was passed by the Secretary of the School Education Department at page 45 in connection with a contempt proceeding. My lord, this is very vital, the stance of the government, state government secretary of the state government. May I place it for your lordship, a relevant portion.
Where do I get it?
Page 45.
In this
In the writ petition.
writ petition?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. This was in connection with a contempt proceeding where the government has disclosed its stand. I have third paragraph. His Lordship Honorable BP Banerjee was the first opening to issue the contempt rule directing me to appear before the Lordship on so and so, let's keep it over. In the aforesaid order, the Honorable Court was pleased to set aside the order of passed on 1496 by the Secretary of the School Education on the ground that he did not consider the instant matter in the light of the judgment of Altamas Kabir on 10th of November 94 in the matter of Bharati Haldar versus State. The Secretary School Education Department was further directed to dispose of the matter in accordance with law after taking into consideration the judgment of the Honorable Justice Kabir. I have gone through the contempt petition and the order of 10th of November 1994 passed by the Honorable Justice Kabir and the relevant papers. In the order dated 10th of November 94, it was observed that the school in question is an institution enjoying the protection of Article 30 of the Constitution. Special rules have been framed for the management of the institution, and in accordance with Rule 11 of the special rule, the school committee is entitled to appoint teaching and non-teaching staff of the school, not only temporarily but also on a permanent basis. Since the school was apparently enjoying the grantinate, it can at best be said that the number of teachers to be appointed in the school would have to be determined in the basis of the number of teacher-pupil ratio. In the event the condition of the special rule are satisfied, and in accordance and an appointment is made by the managing committee of the school, the concerned authority and the education department, both secondary and primary, will have no option but to accept such appointment as made by the school authority in accordance with the special rules. In the instant matter, it is a fact that Chapra King so and so high school is a minority institution having special rule and in exercise of the power conferred. Next page. The Commissioner of School Education, the petitioner having
the managing committee of the school appointed the petitioner
and appointed for approval of the same to from the district inspector school. In my view, the instant matter is similarly placed with that of the case of Bharati Haldar versus State, in which His Lordship the Honorable Justice Kabir was pleased to pass the judgment referred to above. In view of, I hold that all the three petitioners are entitled to get approval of their appointment since the date of their appointment or the date of grantinate scheme came into force in the concerned school, whichever is later. If that appointment were made following the special rule, that the district inspector of school shall Nodia is directed to verify the papers submitted by the school authority for according approval to the appointment of the three petitioners. If the condition of the special rule are found to be fulfilled, the teachers-pupil ratio is found to be satisfactory, the approval accorded and salary and allowance to be paid. The DI of schools, Nodia, is directed to complete all such formality within such time. And if that is the ratio get by the Secretary of the School Education Department, why not the DI consider it in the light of this observation of the School Education Department? I am similarly placed. We are similarly placed. Here the question of prior permission does not arise at all. Here the court has not considered that prior permission is required. And
show me that there was permission for you to proceed with the appointment.
My lord, page 25, we have written to the district inspector of schools,
Seeking permission.
seeking permission for appointment of 6 teachers, including so and so. This is, well, that was as far back in July 2006.
No response.
No response.
And you proceeded.
And we proceeded. No response. They have not rejected my prayer. And they have not rejected my prayer. And thereafter, my lord, final next again another letter was given. Very next page, 2006.
Who is the petitioner over here? The teacher.
The teaching staffs.
The teaching staff.
And they were appointed by holding a selection process, and the school authority, as per the special constitution, my lord, as contemplated for the minority institutions, my lord, that it was initially, my lord, under the DPSC control. In 2006, my lord, the office secretary education cell, my lord, directed the handover and takeover of the charge of the school 24 between the existing and headmaster at page 29. That is, my lord, absolutely irrelevant in the context. The Mahavidyalaya Baptist Mission Primary School, my lord, has been approved by the mission, and interview was, my lord, intimated over the notice dated 17/9/2006, page 30. That is the panel prepared, page 30. Page 31, if your lordship pays a look. Appointment of teachers of recognized aided primary school and a government-sponsored primary school area managed by Christian missions. That was a circular of 1976. The undersigned is directed by order of the governor to say that the governor is pleased to order that in partial modification of the government order 1614 dated 8 November 74, the authorities of the Christian mission be permitted to appoint teachers in the primary school managed by from outside approved panel of the respective municipal area, subject to the condition that all teachers must possess the requisite qualification and experience as may be prescribed by the government from time to time, and thus such appointment be approved by the Director of Public Instruction. Even 76, my lord, they say that no prior permission is required formally.
No, but then whether there was any selection process or not,
Yes,
how come?
that is not said, my lord. Nowhere I wish them to indicate that selection process, you are not giving the newspaper publication, you are not giving any proper advertisement. Expressly, nothing has been said in the order imputed.
Did you do that? Was the regular selection process followed?
All formalities have been complied.
Show me.
All formalities have been complied.
Is the school represented? Is the school represented? This is a writ petition of 2000.
School has been served.
2018 writ petition.
Kindly see the impugned order passed by the DIF school.
No, that has been read out.
No. That is the order of
DSC.
2nd of November 2019. That is at page 62.
62?
No, matter.
No, all matters. But
No, all matter, all. It matter. All matter.
This is of 2009.
9 matter, yes.
And you challenge it in 2018?
No.
The writ
The
petition.
old writ petition.
This is the old writ petition.
Yes.
2009.
Writ petition. And there are the direction for affidavit, no affidavit has been used.
You give check up who is there from 2009.
Partho.
Who are there for the state?
Lordship, item number 8, I'm led by Mr. Somnath Ganguly.
Yes. Somnath Ganguly.
Item number 8,
the school.
Lordship.
Where is, not for the school, for the state.
For the state, Lordship.
State ke ache?
Where
Somnath
is
Ganguly for
he?
state.
Where is he?
Lordship, he is on his legs, Lordship, court note number 8, Lordship.
What is his instructions?
Lordship, instruction is not it been received, Lordship. Kindly give me 1 week accommodation, Lordship. I'm told the DI, but not to kindly give me 1 week accommodation. Instruction will come, Lordship. Item number 8, Lordship.
নয় তোমার নয় 8-9 তো একসঙ্গেই হচ্ছে
2019 also there was a direction for intimating the learned advocate for the state. Please come.
June 28th.
Despite opportunity to file affidavit in opposition,
নামটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি
comma, the same has not been filed till date. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents seeks extension of time for filing the same. Stop. A peremptory extension is being granted for filing the affidavit in opposition. Stop. Paragraph. The respondents will be at liberty to file affidavit in opposition by 8th of November. Reply, if any, by 18th November. List for hearing on 22nd November. Stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the non-appearing respondents.
Grateful.
এই বইটা ফেরত দেবেন, ওই বইটা নিয়ে নেবেন। Item number 9, who is there for this?
let both them all the matters appear together on that day.
No, because the dates of rejection are different.
Different.
The
School is also different.
schools are different.
Yes, ma'am.
The authorities possibly are also different.
Now kindly come to the next one, 9.
9.
Biraj Mondol.
Who is there? Mr. Mukherjee is there in 9. Where is your opposition?
Just yesterday I have been served with a copy of.
No, it cannot be. You are there in the matter from long ago. For years, I can see your appearance.
It was reallotted on 17th September.
No, no reallotment. I see your name over here in the earlier order.
But then when the panel was changed, that's why. Impugned order.
Whatever is the impugned order, you please come up with an opposition.
The same order we passed by.
Very well, same order. But then this is the peremptory extension, I tell you.
Yeah.
No further extension will be granted.
Careful.
Yes. 10. Who is for this state in 10? Show me that you have served notice.
You have served the government period office since the learned advocate record for the
Yes, who is the learned advocate? Give me the notice.
এটাই here is the affidavit of service.
Who has received it?
নিজে শিক্ষাদু নিয়েছে শীর্ষের বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় নিয়েছে
Anybody from his chamber, Mr. Bandyopadhyay's chamber?
759 I will inform Mr. Banerjee.
Please do.
Order also.
Yes, same order. There is a direction for communication. Please communicate.
We have earlier direction communicated.
Yes, I
So,
can see.
let the affidavit of service.
Affidavit of service.
Two matters became not record.
Affidavit of service is taken on record.
আগেরটাও রেখেছি এগুলো স্যার হ্যাঁ চলো
Yes.